I ever got emotional about anything, it was not about seeing probably the shop in the way I found it, but it was about seeing a little army of people right here, waiting with brooms, with squeegees, with trash cans, ready to help. Didn't even wait for me to say a word. Everybody was doing something. They care so much, for others, to help others. They knew that I had a big challenge ahead of me. And it's just like seeing them being here and seeing them, actively and helping me out. That impacted me more than seeing the shop in the conditions, the waterfall that we had at the shop.